The PM CARES Fund was set up by the government in March 2020 to tackle COVID-19 outbreak and provide relief to those affected by it. Since it was set up, the fund has received hundreds of crores of donation from government companies, private firms, celebrities and many more. However, the amount of donations and where the money was spent is still not clear. Let us find out what has happened with the PM CARES Fund so far and where has all the money gone. Just after 5 days of its creation, the fund, which we still don't know is private or public, received more than 3,000 crores. 1 year later, we still have no details about how much more the fund received or spent and where. Official website of the PM CARES Fund calls these to be voluntary contributions, but who are these people or entities voluntarily giving heavy donations? Well, we don't know. Only way to know all the details about PM CARES money is through an official auditing, but the fund cannot be audited as it is not the public fund. The government claimed that PM CARES is a private body and therefore it can refuse public scrutiny and RTI requests. Then the government said that no, the fund is a government body. As per the Indian Express RTI report, around 15 public sector institutions have contributed rupees 349.25 crore to the PM CARES Fund from their own salaries. Yes, you heard that right. LIC alone has given rupees 113 crores to the PM CARES. SBI gave 100 crore. SBI said that its entire contribution was from the salaries of its employees. Even RBI said that it donated rupees 7.34 crore from contribution by employees. Other institutions like Union Bank of India gave rupees 14.81 crore, Central Bank of India more than 11 crore, Bank of Maharashtra gave more than 5 crore, NABARD, National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development gave rupees 9.04 crore. The list goes on. Educational institutions like IITs, IIMs and central universities have together contributed more than 21.81 crore to the Prime Minister's Citizen Assistance and Relief Emergency Situations PM CARES Fund. As per Indian Express RTI findings, 20 IITs contributed rupees 5.47 crore, Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti gave rupees 7.48 crore and 10 IIMs donated more than 33.53 lakh. All of these contributions have been made from donations from the employees, pensioners and from all teaching and non-teaching staffs. Another RTI findings by the Indian Express report said that around 50 departments under the center have contributed rupees 157.23 crore from staff salaries to the PM CARES Fund. The list included departments from railways to the Department of Space. As per the RTI, the department said contribution made by employees is in their individual capacity through their salary. Around rupees 146.72 crore has been contributed to PM CARES Fund through contribution from employees, and the Department of Space has given over rupees 5.18 crore. On March 28, 2020, the Ministry of Corporate Affairs had swiftly issued a general circular which clarified that any contribution made to the PM CARES Fund shall qualify as corporate social responsibility (CSR) expenditure. It is important to note that all these were voluntary contributions from salaries of current staffs and retired employees, pensions, two-day privilege leave and salary encashment of employees. These numbers are based on media reports and not information given by PMO in public domain, as the government has failed to give any information. Interestingly, as per reports, Prime Minister Modi himself donated rupees 2.25 lakh from his own pocket. This means that PM made a donation to a fund which is created under his name. And now, as per an RTI filed by Neeraj Sharma, PMO is stopping government departments from sharing RTI information on the PM CARES Fund. The centre had announced its rupees 15,000 crore COVID-19 package in April 2020. As per an RTI filed by activist Saurabh Das, the centre had financed this package by loans taken from international banks. Then, what happens to the PM CARES Fund? Well, we are still trying to understand that. As per an RTI filed by Saurabh Das, the centre took a loan of rupees 15,000 crore from 3 international banks called International Bank of Reconstruction and Development (IBRD), the Asian Development Bank (ADB) and the Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank (AIIB) to fight COVID-19. And this happened almost 7 days after the PM CARES fund was set up. Of course, the reports suggest that around rupees 3,100 crores were allocated for different purposes so far. Of these, rupees 1,000 crores were allocated for the migrant laborers from PM CARES fund, rupees 2,000 crores for 50,000 made in India ventilators, and around 100 crore for vaccine development. But nobody knows how and where this money is being spent, if it is being done so. RTI-based report in the Huffington Post revealed that rupees 373 crores were provided to a Chennai-based medical technology company called Trivitron Healthcares from the PM CARES fund to build 10,000 ventilators. This was done even though this company has never made ventilators earlier. So now the most important question is this: if the Modi government is dependent on loans from international banks to fight COVID-19, then where is the PM CARES fund money going? Many actors, industrialists, private companies, sportspersons and businessmen have donated huge sums of money to the PM CARES fund. As per an India Spend report of May 20, the fund had received approximately rupees 9,677 crores, which is $1.27 billion in donations according to a publicly available data. This amount was donated in just 52 days since the establishment of the fund. तो इससे एक बात तो साफ है कि पीएम केयर्स में पैसा तो बहुत है, पर इस पैसे का गवर्नमेंट क्या कर रही है ये किसी को नहीं पता। जनता के लिए बनाया हुआ फंड, पर जनता को ही नहीं पता है कि फंड यूज़ कहाँ हो रहा है। पर यह भी ठीक है, क्योंकि मोदी जी ने किया है तो कुछ सोच समझ के ही किया होगा।